Engine washes are a standard procedure in automotive workshops to simplify the location of leaks on engines and create more pleasant working conditions. Only low pressure may be used in the engine compartment to avoid any risk of damage. Pressure is reduced either on the cleaner's cylinder head or on the servo controller. Detergent and heat greatly enhance cleaning efficiency. The wastewater that occurs must be routed through an oil separator or a suitable wastewater recycling plant in order to avoid pollution. The engine compartment is then rinsed with fresh water at low pressure. If a Karcher power nozzle is used, a greater distance must be maintained.